Now, before we get started with the Christmas Affiliate Empire, let's check out a special offer and my bonus.
Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
In a nutshell, a Christmas Affiliate Empire is a comprehensive guide that uncovers the strategies, tactics, and insights needed to navigate and overcome the challenges of Christmas affiliate marketing. The guide gives insights gained by experience and success, and each chapter provides actionable strategies for immediate results. Everything is covered, from strategic planning to scaling your business to an approach at the festive affiliate marketing season. And the last thing to remember is that the guide shows you how to extend beyond the holiday season. Now, what's inside this guide or this ebook? Well, Section 1 deals with the Festive Affiliate Advantage. Section 2 talks about crafting compelling content for conversions. Section 3 is all about the SEO mastery for festive visibility. Section 4 is amplifying your reach with paid advertising. Section 5 deals with email marketing and for the festive season. And Section 6 talks about analyzing, adapting, and scaling your business for success. And Section 7 is about overcoming challenges and building resilience. And Section 8 talks about scaling your Christmas affiliate empire. And there's more inside. Now, the sales funnel is really quite simple. The front end is $17, and that's all there is. There are no OTOs, but you do get an exclusive bonus that includes resources and a toolkit, which covers content creation tools, SEO resources, and analytical platforms. Now, if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out to earn $10,000 monthly in the first link below. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic on a weekly basis. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. We'll show you how. We'll show you how you can earn reoccurring income online with ease. And you can earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. We will show you how. Now, thank you for watching. Bye for now.